Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World, and today is a good day. Finally, we got some 70-degree weather here, at least for one day, right? But also, we got a bad watch face to check out today by Charles. I'm telling you, my man took this one through the ceiling. Now, he normally gets down on some awesome looking digital watch faces. He's taking this to a whole new level with this analog premium look, and I'm telling you people, you're gonna like this one. The name of this watch face is called Classic Elegance. Now, the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you get your download on ASAP. The watch face is going to be free to the end of the month, so don't miss out. Share this with other people, share this on social media, share the love. All right, let's check out this awesome watch face by Charles. First of all, I'm giving the man 7 thumbs up in the door for the design and the creation of this watch face. I like the look, I like the overall theme of this watch face, and in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same exact look. It's going to have a greenish tint so far as your color is concerned, which is going to really look good at night. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the design of this one. I like the premiumness. Now, if you look at the top, you will get your battery info so far as the meter is concerned. You look down at the bottom, you have a meter for your step goal completed, and you get 3 dials that really brings out the watch face. And if you look really closely, they're animated. I thought that was a nice touch for this watch face, and this is a hybrid watch face, right? Because you got shortcuts and features up under this one. Now, looking at the analog hands, I really like the creation of this. It's really stylish, it has a premium look to it, and I like that he put a second hand that is smoothly going around the bezel of the watch and not a ticking one. This one screams premium all day long, and I like the way the hands glow as well. You got to see this one in person. Now, it is an active, right? So if I tap on the dial, I can go into my heart rate information. If I tap here, I could set a shortcut or a favorite application. And if I tap over here, I'm going to be able to pull up my alarm. And let's go over here. So if I tap over here, I can pull up my calendar. And if I double tap down at the bottom, people, I can change the color of this watch face to whatever it is that I'm wearing for that day. I can color coordinate or just simply pick my favorite color. Now, my man, he got down on this watch face. He got down on this watch face. But check this out. Here's what I like about it. Tap here and you can bring up all your information, your battery info, your heart rate, and your steps, and you also get the day of the week and the day. I like this one. I thought my man did a really good job, and if you want to get rid of it, there you go. So I'm liking the look. Again, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Do not miss out on this one. It lasts only to the end of the month. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.